I will need to have to change the refill pack. Like I tend to also have blemishes, definitely our fine lines will be more visible or more noticeable. BB cushion versus foundation. Which one is the right fit for me? Which one is the right fit for you? That's the topic for today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the past, I always ask myself, should I use BB cushion today? Should I use foundation today? Today, I'm having both. I'm using both and also loving both. Depending on our needs, what we want to achieve, our skin condition, our lifestyle, and also our budget, that will help us to decide if we should use BB cushion or start off with foundation. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Master. Do consider subscribing. Just find the red button down below. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing to consider is the coverage. Do you prefer something that has lightweight formulas with some skincare benefits added? Looking for sheer and buildable coverage? Then most likely BB cushion is your go-to choice. But there are also times that we have some imperfection that we would like to hide, cover or conceal, especially when it's close to our menstrual cycle. Like I tend to also have blemishes whenever it's close to my menstrual cycle, and also dark circles when I sleep late, guys. So that's when I will opt for foundation. It will help us to have a smoother skin, even skin tone, and also full coverage. So really depends on our skin conditions, what we like to achieve. Do we prefer sheer coverage or full coverage? So that's when I will decide if I will go for BB cushion or foundation. It's okay if you have imperfections, but you are still okay not to cover completely and you still prefer to have sheer coverage. That is totally fine to go for BB cushion. So it's really up to our preference, but of course, typically when it's full coverage, we would go for foundation, and if it's more to sheer coverage, then it would be BB cushion. Do you need a lot of shades to choose? Do you prefer having a lot of shades so that you can find the perfect shade for your skin tone to blend with your skin tone? If the answer is yes, then I think you would prefer to go for foundation. Foundation typically has a lot of shades for us to choose. Like the one I'm using, this from Lancome. If I'm not mistaken, it has around 22 shades for us to select and choose. So I'm sure you will find something that can blend well with your skin tone. Otherwise, BB cushion typically will only have fewer shades for us to choose. Like maybe less than 10, like the one I'm using right now is from Laneige. It only has less than 10 shades for us to choose. So if you're someone who prefer a lot of varieties, then probably foundation. If you're headache whenever you see so many options, then maybe you might prefer BB cushion. Next up, glowy, dewy, matte finish. Which look do you prefer? For me, I always prefer glowy look. I would not opt for matte look. That's my preference. You may have your own preference, but that's my preference. So, but the good news is both foundation and also BB cushion, they both have the options and allow us to achieve either matte look or glowy look. So it really depends on our preference. Like the one I'm using from Laneige BB cushion, I always use whitening BB cushion because it will help me to achieve the glowy look, more radiant rather than matte look. If you prefer matte look and you prefer to try Laneige BB cushion, you could try the pore control or anti-aging BB cushion. That you will achieve the matte look. For the foundation I'm using from Lancome, I'm using this Tint Miracle foundation. It will allow me to achieve a more hydrating skin. Feel more hydrated, more radiant. It brightens up my skin tone as well, glowy, dewy. So that's why I opt for this Tint Miracle foundation. It also has another option that is Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation that will help you to achieve that matte look. It has 24 hours lasting effect. shine free because you like matte look, that is shine free. And the good thing is it claims to also be not powdery. So really depends on our preference whether matte look or glowy look, radiant looking, up to our preference. Next thing to consider is whether you prefer a very perfect look and you have the habit of performing touch-up, then you may want or prefer BB cushion, because very obvious, BB cushion is very easy. We can just grab and go, put it inside our bag, just grab and go. Whereas for foundation, typically we don't take out the foundation. It's heavy and it's also not easy for performing touch-up. It's not advisable. So if you are looking for 2-in-1 for your makeup and also later on for touch-up, then to save money, of course, it's BB cushion. But for me, I don't mind to go for BB cushion or foundation because I don't have the habit of performing touch-up. I typically perform my makeup, do my makeup once in the morning, and I don't touch up even after 6-8 hours. I don't touch up. I'm okay if it is slightly not so perfect. I'm also okay with that kind of look. So I don't have the habit to perform touch up. That's why typically my handbag is very small, limited tools inside my handbag. I also do not have the habit to put on lipstick again like after lunchtime. The next thing to consider is really important, guys. That is, do you have fine lines around your eye area? I have nothing to hide. I'm showing you guys as well. I definitely have fine lines around my eye areas. That's totally fine. We should feel proud to have fine lines. Typically, people with fine lines, they are wiser. Just kidding. But it's okay to have fine lines, guys. So if you have fine lines around your eye area like I do, so I've tried with BB cushion and also foundation. I'm just sharing with you guys. So typically BB cushion, it is more of sheer coverage and our fine lines will be less visible compared to foundation, full coverage, thicker. Definitely our fine lines will be more visible or more noticeable. If your fine lines are acceptable, then I would think that depending on your skin conditions again, then you can choose BB cushion or foundation. But in general, more to sheer coverage, we will then have less visible fine lines. That's just my experience and also my observation. Next one will be, which makeup style do you prefer? For me, if I want to go for a light makeup, more Korean style kind of makeup, more neutral, lesser colors, then I will go for BB cushion. But there are times when I have functions, events, gala dinners, I want to have a more glamorous, more dramatic kind of makeup, then I typically will go for foundation to have a full coverage and easier for me to add colors to it. Do you always prefer something that has a more fancy and also nice packaging? Then probably you may want to go for BB cushion, because I've seen other brands of BB cushion as well. Typically they have very nice packaging, very fancy packaging with a very nice mirror and also puff applicator, compact, nice packaging. And compared to foundation, the packaging is typically very boring, very standard. Normally it is a glass bottle with a pump and a cover. If you prefer something that is fancy, you can also check out other brands of BB cushion. Maybe Laneige is a little bit standard. Other BB cushions, their packaging is very nice and very fancy. Next up will be budget concern. Do you have any budget concern? Do you have a long shopping list that you need to complete purchasing, complete buying, and you cannot have both BB cushion and also foundation? Based on my experience, this BB cushion, if you are using this on a daily basis, it can only last you about 1 or 2 months the most if you are using it on a daily basis. Whereas for this foundation, it can last you probably for 1 year. Just a tiny small pump, you are able to cover your full face. Maybe 1 or 2 pumps or the most 3 pumps, you can cover your full face depending on the size of our face as well. Maybe you may want to choose foundation rather than BB cushion if you really have budget concern, because this foundation will last you very long even though you're using it on a daily basis. Whereas for BB cushion, yes, on the go, but also you need to change the refill pack very often. Every 1-2 months you have to change it. Next thing to consider is, are you always in the rush? Do you always have limited limited time, always in a rush, you have a lot of kids, maybe 12 kids, a football team to manage, you do not have a lot of time to put on makeup, to really enjoy putting makeup always on the go, then perhaps BB cushion is your option because it's very easy, it's very fast. You just need to use the puff applicator and you just pat on it. Depending on the coverage that you need, just use the puff applicator and that's about it. You probably only have 1-2 kids, or without kids you have sufficient time for you to sit down, enjoy putting makeup, then maybe foundation is your choice. Because foundation you will probably need to use along with the blender, and you need to spend a little bit time to really blend this foundation to achieve that kind of even finish. So really depends that if you're always in a rush, then maybe it's BB cushion. You have plenty of time, you enjoy putting makeup, then maybe you may want or prefer foundation definitely. So guys, have you found out or have you decided which one to start off with? Would it be foundation? Would it be BB cushion? Comment down below. I've covered everything that I wanted to cover. Hopefully you guys find this video interesting and also helpful, and I hope that I'm able to help you guys also to decide if you should start off with BB cushion or foundation or both. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and very soon I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye guys!